everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1972 Dodge Demon. Beautiful car, guys. Car's out of Florida. It's a very rare color on this car. It's A4 light gunmetal metallic. It's got the black vinyl interior with the bucket seats and the console. Car has the matching numbers, 340 cubic inch engine with this matching number, 727 Torqueflite trans. Car just went through a complete body up restoration. There is receipts in the trunk for that resto. It's got the original broadcast sheet is there, and you can make it out, but it's, you know, it's a partial broadcast sheet. It's a little tattered, but gorgeous car. BF Goodrich Radial TA is all the way around it. Rally wheels, factory air car. And really a pretty car, guys. You know, you nitpick a little bit of the trim, but still very nice. They've replaced the bumpers. Pretty color combination. I can only remember having one other of these cars, and I think it was a factory 3-speed manual transmission. This is a rare color combo. You don't see it much. Let's face it, it's so hard getting these cars anymore, guys, that it's just tough getting nice stuff at a decent price. Good, solid, straight car. Wear mark in the bumper right there. Again, I don't try to pick them apart, guys, but you know, 80% of these cars, we don't get to see the people. They buy them right through these videos. So I try to show you the things that I see, and none of them are perfect, believe me. Again, matching numbers, 340 car, 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, factory air. You can see the Mopar radiator with the shroud, electronic ignition. It's got the matching numbers trans. Here's your fender tag. Great car. Runs and drives excellent. Oh, I'm sorry, just those look new. Your door tag. Bucket seats, console. $42,204. That's supposed to be the original miles, guys. Of course, the car's been restored. Looks like it's got all the original interior in it. Oh, I think I showed you this. Sorry, man, I'm getting a little ahead of myself. Bucket seats, console. Factory dash. dash, AM, FM radio. You can see it's still got, you know, the Chrysler glass. Dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 323 rear end. There's your, again, partial broadcast sheet, little tattered. This is everything, all your receipts. He breaks down the options and everything on the car. That's like a worksheet that he did. Again, it's all body color in the trunk. The factory jack with spare is in here. I think that's your original paint up there. Car's nice and clean underneath. Dash pad's nice. Steering wheel's in good shape. Got the original wood grain. The door handles are nice. Kicks your air on, the air works. Gauges are working. Oil pressure's down there because it's just got a light up there, so they've changed it to oil pressure gauge. Hopefully you can see this stuff working. Sun's right behind me. Turn signals. Backup lights do work.
It works. I'm just trying to get a station.
Yeah, it's got power. Just got to find the station. Blower motor, we know that works.
Yeah. I just had a station too.
Well, you're up against the building. Oh, I can hear it though. The radio does work, guys.
It does work.
Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our new Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355.